Welcome back to the School of Soul, the social series. I'm ADELINE Atlas, and today I'm going to show you how to add a paid digital product to your stand store so you can start collecting real sales straight from your social media. First, what is a digital product? A digital product is anything that can be delivered online, no shipping needed. This includes things like ebooks, workbooks, mini courses, templates, guides, recorded trainings. You create it once, and it can sell over and over, true passive income. Here's exactly how to add your digital product inside Stand Store. Step 1, click Add New Offer. From your Stand dashboard, click the Add New Offer button. Step 2, choose Digital Product. Stan will ask what kind of offer you're adding. Choose Digital Product. Step 3, fill in the product details. Offer title. Give your product a strong, clear name. Example, Instagram story scripts that sell, or 30-day passive income launch plan. Description. Write a short 1 to 3 sentence description. Focus on what result they'll get from the product. Example, master your Instagram stories with proven prompts that grow your audience and increase sales. Step 4, upload your product file. Stan lets you upload PDFs, videos, zip files, if you're delivering multiple documents. Choose the file you want to deliver when someone purchases. If you're selling a mini course, you can either upload a single video or upload a PDF with the video links inside Step 5. Set the price. Decide if it's a one-time payment, most digital products are, or a payment plan, optional for higher ticket items. Price it cleanly. For example, $27, $47, $97 psychology of 7s and 9s helps increase conversions. You can always raise your price later as your brand grows. Starting is what matters most. Step 6, customize checkout settings. You can also add an upsell, offer another product after checkout. Capture email addresses, so you grow your list too. Make sure your Stripe or PayPal is connected if you haven't already. Step 7, publish your offer. Once you fill everything out, click Publish. Your paid product will now be live on your Stand Store, ready for customers to buy instantly, even while you sleep. Quick business tip. Even simple products sell. You don't need a 200-page ebook or a full-blown course to start making money. Solve one problem clearly, deliver one powerful result, and price it clean.